Jotform AI Agents has just been released, and if you're looking for a game changer in the AI software space, this is it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about Jotform AI Agents, and trust me, you're going to want to stay until the end because I'll share exactly how to get started with this tool for free, with a link in the description. Now, Jotform AI Agents is more than just another AI tool. It's an advanced automation platform that combines AI-powered agents with form-building tools to help you create highly personalized and efficient workflows. Whether you're building a customer service bot, gathering feedback, or automating lead generation, Jotform AI Agents has something to offer. The first key thing you need to know is that it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The platform allows you to create forms with AI assistance in just a few clicks, making it incredibly accessible to businesses of all sizes. You can design custom forms with AI-driven responses that feel natural and personalized. What's unique about Jotform AI Agents is the seamless integration with existing Jotform features. If you're already using Jotform for your forms, this AI integration works without needing to learn a new system. It's all about improving what you already have, making it a powerful addition to your toolkit. Second, Jotform AI Agents is designed to scale with your business. It doesn't matter if you're a small startup or a large corporation. This software can handle high volumes of submissions and queries. The AI agents are built to learn and improve over time, making them more accurate and efficient the more they interact with users. Another crucial point is its versatility. Jotform AI Agents isn't just for customer support. You can also use it to generate reports, conduct surveys, process payments, and even collect sensitive information securely. All of these features are powered by AI, which helps reduce the workload on your team while increasing efficiency. One feature that stands out is the natural language processing, NLP, capabilities of Jotform AI Agents. This means that the AI can understand and respond to user inputs in a way that feels human. It can pick up on context, follow conversations, and even recognize different languages, making it ideal for businesses with global reach. Speaking of security, Jotform AI Agents is also designed with privacy in mind. It ensures that all sensitive data is encrypted and stored securely, which is essential for businesses dealing with private customer information. This level of security can give your customers peace of mind when interacting with your forms. Jotform AI Agents also has a robust analytics dashboard that provides insights into user interactions. This helps businesses track performance, see where improvements can be made, and adjust their strategies accordingly. The real-time data reporting ensures that you're always in control of how your AI agents are performing. Now, here's a bonus. You can try Jotform AI Agents completely free. If you want to see how it works for yourself, just click the link in the description to get started with a free trial. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and Jotform AI Agents stands out as one of the most powerful and easy-to-use platforms out there. Finally, if you're exploring AI software for your business, I have a collection of my recommended AI tools listed in the description below. After testing countless options, these are the ones I believe will take your business to the next level. Don't miss out. Give Jotform AI Agents a try and see how it can streamline your processes and boost your productivity today.